Hi guys, it's your boy Ruslan. Today we're gonna show you this amazing project. It's called Do Hourly. It's gonna give you 2.5 to 3% per hour. Imagine guys, 2.5 hourly for 50 hours, around 2 days. Total return is gonna be 125%. So you're gonna profit 25% in 2 days, guys. Minimum deposit is $10 and maximum deposit is $100,000. So as you can see here, if we put $100, we're gonna get 125. So the $25 is the profits. As you can see here, the deposits, transactions that people made, the withdraw. As you can see here, the total deposits is $190,000. Total withdraw is 58,000 in 4 days, guys. The site has been running just 4 days. There's 426 members. So let's go to my accounts. As you can see, I have deposits $50. If you click on invest from wallet, here you can choose your plan and then you can deposit with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, USDT, Tron, and BNB. Guys, make sure you have the security, two-factor authentication. I will leave my link in the description. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.